Hey guys, so I did an order online at Backyard Heroes Fireworks, and quickly go down. Quickly show you here what I got. And so I already took the trip down. So I have the box here, and we're gonna go see what I got. So this is the box they put everything in. Open this up, starting. My total was with tax $262, I believe. You probably saw it on the computer. Alright, we'll start with smaller things first. Actually, let me take out the things they gave me for free. So I appreciate this, guys, if anyone from Backyard Heroes is watching. So they gave me this Air Force plane from Supreme Fireworks. What else was free? This fountain, Flippin' Awesome by World Class. And I forgot the other thing they gave me for free. No, it wasn't. Yes. These tanks. I guess they're just generic brand. And no, thank you. So those three are for free. So this is what I ordered. Colored sparklers by Sky Bacon. 3 different colors. 4 packs for each one. This fountain, Go Girl Go, which this is going to be for Mother's Day, which is technically tomorrow, so I'll be lighting this tonight, depending on when I actually put this video up. I might put this video up right away. It might be in a couple weeks from now. I'm not sure. So this might already have been lit when you see this video. We'll see. Right, Counter-Strike by Brothers. Big size ship in there. Okay. Mr. Tractor, got 2 of them by Mighty Max. Call to Arms by Brothers. Escort by Brothers. That was pretty cool. These are pretty cool too. Black Hawk by Firehawk. So you get 2 of these. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera. Large strobe by Supreme. Get 4 of them. So these assortments here. All-Star assortment by Boomer. This was $10, I believe. And you got some sparklers here. Right. So this is Honky Donkey by Canon. So a lot of small things in here. I think this was like $21 or $22. A lot of stuff I've never done in here before. I think everything in here I've never done before. Alright, now a finale fountain here by World Class, Men of Honor. This will be done for Memorial Day. This is something I specifically wanted, needed. I had nothing big for Memorial Day yet, so now I got one. It's very heavy. And last, I keep this in the box. This is Pyro Station by Firehawk. Quickly show you everything that's in here. This will probably be open right before 4th of July because of these 4 fountains right there. So this was $80, I believe. Alright, so like I said, everything in here was a total of $260, and the 3 free items they put in here. Backyard Hero Fireworks in Springfield Township, New Jersey. Thank you for being open during these COVID times. You have to order everything online for the time being from when this video comes out. I don't know how much longer. And they will bring it to your car. You cannot go inside the store right now. Once again, this video is being shot in beginning of May of 2020 because of COVID. All the reasons why I just mentioned. So, thanks for watching.